I like the way you be naughty. Oh, girl, you be naughty, girl.
Thank you very
Your
much.
voice.
Yeah, that be how.
Engineer voice.
AMG, Amanda, so with us. Please put your hands together.
Anyways, man, this is an award scheme to recognize you guys and project the music to the diaspora or to the international stage. What do you make of it?
Yeah, Charlie, I'm excited for all the artists, not just those who were nominated, but all the musicians in Ghana, because it tells you that your music is going out there, and that's something we've been looking for. So I'm actually excited for those nominated, and even those who are not nominated, know that your music is going out there. Thank you so much.
Speaking of nominations, you have been nominated in a lot of categories, bro. How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm excited. At least I know my music is being recognized, especially when last year it was only one song that I released. If one song can do that for me, then it's just exciting. It's just blessed. I'm just blessed.
Thank you for talking that. But then your new music, how is it going? How is it doing so far?
Yeah, it's good. Just like you said earlier, it's doing good. I'm still pushing more, and I want to assure all my fans that this year we're coming back to back, whether in bad or good conditions. We're still keeping our head up, and we're coming back to back.
Thank you.
Krymi, tell us. We want to find out why did you braid your hair?
Yeah, I wanted to create a new face for Krymi, and that's why I did this. And I'm excited about it. I'm enjoying it.
And your fans are excited about it.
Yeah, it's so and so, but I'm sure that most of them are excited and they're happy. At least we're getting into it.
A lot of people are looking like a Nigerian artist now.
I know, right? Yeah, but yeah, like I said, we're getting there. We're taking our time and we're doing things right. That's it.
Thank you for talking to us, man. Wish you all the best.
Yeah, in my Range Rover, baby, give me a big bad man soldier. If you tire, make we can change over. Bend down, make a suck your soda. Hey, in my Range Rover, baby.